You think these type video will take hours of time to create, but I found a method to create these video in minutes with AI. And subscribe me because I upload daily viral AI trend video tutorial on this channel. But first, take a look at this video which I made in just 2 minutes. To make these type of video, head over to Pinterest and search for landscape drawing reference. Once you search for it, you will see a lot of different images and references here. Now, this is actually a very important step because this image is going to become the foundation of our viral reel. So don't just randomly pick the first image you see. Go through the references properly, explore different styles, compositions, landscapes, and visual ideas, and take your time to find an image that really stands out. Once you have gone through all the references and found your final image, open it and download it directly to your device. Make sure the image is downloaded properly and is available in your gallery or downloads folder, because we are going to use this exact image in the next step. Now, open the prompt link and here you will see 2 different master prompts. One prompt is specifically for image generation, while the other one is for video generation. For now, we only need the image generation prompt, so copy the complete image generation master prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Now here you need to upload the image that you just downloaded from Pinterest. Wait until the image is uploaded completely. Once the upload is finished, paste the image generation master prompt that you copied from the prompt link into the chat and hit enter. After that, ChatGPT will start analyzing your uploaded reference image along with the master prompt, and it will begin generating a new image based on your reference. This is where you need to carefully check the generated result. Look at the overall composition, landscape, details, lighting, realism, and whether the final output actually matches the kind of visual you were looking for. If you feel that something is not right, don't worry. You can simply repeat the same process and generate another version until you get the perfect result. You can keep refining it until the image feels exactly right for your video. Since my result is already perfect, I'm going to download this generated image from ChatGPT and save it to my device. This will now become our final image, which we are going to use for creating the video. Now go back to the prompt link because we are moving to the second master prompt. This time, we need the video generation prompt. Start selecting the complete video generation master prompt from beginning to end. Make sure you copy the full prompt because every detail inside this prompt is important for generating a realistic looking video from an AI video tool. Once you have copied the complete video generation prompt, open Flow AI and click on New Project. After entering the new project, look for the plus icon available on the top right side of the interface and click on it. Now, you will see a few different options. From these options, select Upload your image and upload the final image that you generated and downloaded from ChatGPT. Flow will take a few seconds to upload your image in the highest possible quality, so just wait until the upload is completely finished. Once the image has been uploaded successfully, click on the option available here and choose Video. Now, we need to set the same settings that I'm using right now. First, select 9:16 as the video ratio, because we are creating a vertical video, which is perfect for platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. After that, choose Omni Flash as your video model. This will help us generate a realistic video based on the image we uploaded. Then select the video duration as 10 seconds and set the video quantity to 1. Once all these settings are ready, click on your uploaded image. You will see a 3-dot menu appear on the image. Click on those 3 dots and some options will appear. From these options, select Add to Prompt. As soon as you select it, the uploaded image will automatically be added to your prompt box. This is important because now the AI will know exactly which image we want to animate and turn into a video. Now simply paste the complete video generation master prompt that you copied earlier from the prompt link into the prompt box. Double check everything one final time. Make sure your image is added correctly, the full video prompt is pasted, the ratio is set to 9:16, the model is Omni Flash, the duration is 10 seconds, and the quantity is set to 1. Once everything looks good, click on Generate. And now, your video will start generating. The AI will take your final image and the detailed master prompt and turn that still image into a realistic, cinematic video. Once the generation is complete, you can watch the result and see how the original landscape reference has been transformed into a moving visual. So, let's watch the result. One more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any other topic, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.